It's just like a reaction to um my network is what is wrong with this stuff, man? So yeah, uh I'm just going back to the lessons that I've taught and like trying to like broaden them broaden. Okay, so clearly I'm a little bit sick. um okay, everything works fine. Yeah, I'm sorry about the snorts and stuff. So I'm going back to the lessons that I've taught and try to like stretch them and make them even broaden them up. That's the word. So it's just another lesson. If you think maybe I'm stopping it too much, you can still go back to the original lesson, which is like somewhere down in the videos that I've posted. So one other thing, I really am thankful, guys, for your subscription. Means a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you for subscribing to this channel, and I hope you continue doing that. If you have not done that yet, what are you waiting for? So we are almost reaching the year resolution, which was like 1,000 subs. So I'm really happy. Um, without wasting any time, let's get right to this thing. This is gonna be like a very short lesson, so don't expect me to be here for an hour. And if I'm already boring you, just stick around for like 2 minutes. You'll be done. Thank you. All right, let's go to the lesson.
Dumelang, ke a la amogela mo lapeng la. E tla re moragonyana, ke be ke le itsetse gore ba ke bomang. Hello, and welcome to my home. In a little while, I'll tell you who are these people with me. Yo ke mosadi wa me. Yo ke mosadi wa me. This is my wife.
Basically, I was trying to like
Yo
do.
ke ngwana ke wa mosetsana.
Let's pause it there. I was trying to like do like some action type of lesson here, which I think it went pretty well. Um, so this is like how you introduce your family. If, let's say you're moving to Botswana and you have your family, your wife and kids with you, so you're going to introduce them like this to wherever you'll be going to. Let's say maybe you are at the border, like at the airport or border entrance, whatever you're going to say. Yo ke mosadi wa me, and let's move on to the other people.
Yo ke ngwana ke wa mosetsana. This is my daughter.
Like basically when you are introducing yourself or your daughter, you're not going to say this is my uh, lady daughter or something like that. So you're just going to say ke ngwana kwa mosetsana, then mosetsana means girl. So that's how you're going to introduce. You don't have to say ke ngwana ke wa mosetsana. You're just going to say ke ngwana ke yeah.
Ba ke bana ke ba basimane. Ba ke bana ke ba basimane.
Like I just wanted to say, you don't have to say bana ke ba basima like ngwana ke wa mosetsana, unless if they're not there, or unless if like whoever you're talking to cannot tell gender, so you don't have to like specifically say this is my boy child in front of somebody's face, because they can clearly see that this is a boy and this is a girl.
These are my sons. Ke monna. Ke monna. I am a man. Ke mosimane. Ke mosimane. I am a boy.
Ke mosadi. Ke mosadi. I am a woman.
I just asked my wife to do this ke mosadi part. As you can tell, she has an accent, so so you're going to say ke mosadi, ke mosadi. She did a good job though, so I give her that. But that's how you say it, ke mosadi. Maybe I can move my face up there so you can see the words as well. Ke mosadi. Yeah, that's for a lady to introduce yourself. But like I said, you don't necessarily have to say gender. I was just doing this as an action to, or like as acting to, like, I don't know, make it easier for you guys to remember. So you don't always have to say ke monna or ke mosadi unless you are on the phone for some reason your voice is like in between. You can say no ke monna or ke mosadi. I hear people doing that a lot when they call on the radio because maybe the radio personalities don't like distinguish which voice is which.
Ke mo Tswana. Ke mo Tswana. I am a girl.
And again, my wife did Kemositsana part. She was saying like she has an accent, so I just wanted to like make sure that you guys are not confused when you go there. You're going to say Kemositsana, and then it's like, what are you saying? So you're going to say Kemositsana, Mositsana. Once again, you don't always have to say your gender.
Ke itumelela gore o kopane le ba lelapa la me. Ke itumelela gore o kopane le ba lelapa la me. I'm happy that you have met my family. Ke tseela gore mo nako e tang o tla gakologela gore I hope that next time you're going to remember that mosadi wa me means my wife. Ngwanake wa mosetsana means my daughter.
I don't know if I did this part of like a man. You're going to say, let's say for example, your wife, you are the wife introducing your man, or you're going to say monna wami, like the man who's gonna say mosadi wami, monna wami for a woman introducing their man, like saying yo ke monna wami, or a man saying yo ke mosadi wami. So I hope that makes sense.
Banake ba basimane means my sons. But if you only have one son, you are going to say ngwanake wa mosimane. Ngwanake wa mosimane, my son.
I guess the voice is gone. So until we meet again next time, so yeah, that's basically it. That's the lesson. It was very short, like I said. Hopefully you're not bored and you're already like, yo, what's going on here? Rolling your eyes, but I really am thankful for your support, your subscriptions, and people from South Africa. I can see that you guys have been watching these videos, and I'm really thankful. And yeah, man, continue watching, because if you watch, the algorithm, what. So yeah, until we meet again next time, bye bye, and I hope that everything is clear here. And if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button right now so we can reach 1,000 people. And yeah, see you